Hey guys, I just want to do a real quick video replacing the fuses and the locations for the fuses for the 12-volt power outlets on your Toyota Highlander. This is a 2019 Toyota Highlander, and this should work on 2014 through 2019, but you'll have to double check if it's another year other than the 2019. So anyways, this front power outlet, this 12-volt power outlet, is power outlet number 1. And it's important to know that that's power outlet number 1 because of the way the fuse block is labeled. The one in the center console here on the bottom of the center console is power outlet number 2. Now to get to the fuses, you have to move your driver's seat all the way back. And on the left side underneath your steering column, underneath the instruments, is this little plastic cover. And this is where your fuses reside. This is not a very good location for this. It's not very comfortable to get to and not very easy to get to. But anyways, be careful pulling this cover off. I pulled it off a little bit earlier and I broke the little plastic tab off here. So now this cover is going to have to reside in my glove box because it's never going to stay on here. But it's a very poor design and we'll get on with it. So this cover has the fuse locations written on it. Let me put this in a spot where it can be read. We're looking for power outlet number 1, which is the center underneath the dash, and it's this 15 amp one right here. You can read that. And then power outlet number 2 is the 15 amp one that's right here. So we'll go and look underneath and look at the actual fuses. So if you're looking at it from the bottom, if you count 5 positions from the left side of the fuses from the back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's this blue fuse here. It's a 15 amp fuse. That's power outlet number 1. And then on the other side, if you look and you go down, and there's a blue fuse here that's next to 2 red fuses, and between another red fuse, it says 15 on it. This is power outlet number 2. Anyways, I'll have a link for these in the description below. You're going to need spare fuses for these. They don't have them in the engine compartment where they have a few spare fuses and they have this fuse puller. Let me show you that location real quick. So if you need a fuse puller, come up to the front of your engine compartment, right by your battery between your brake reservoir. There's this little tab here on this box that's labeled relay and fuse. You just push this tab back and pull up gently. And then if you push back a little bit, there's 2 little tabs in the back that hold this cover on. And here's your fuse puller. Now it would have been nice if they put a 15 amp fuse in here, but they have a 7.5 amp, a 10 amp, and a 25 amp. So if you have a spare fuse kit, you may want to put your 15 amp in here. But anyways, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.